Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your online anonymity using the Proxy Sale service. The Anonymity Check tab shows how anonymous you are online. It compares the data from your computer or browser with the data from your IP address. This includes your IP, complete browser information, and other important indicators to enhance your security. If your IP anonymity level is low, you need to address the problem areas shown by the verification tool. Typically, this involves checking the time zone, displayed country, operating system language, user agent, and more. Anonymous proxy servers are popular and effective way to protect your IP address online. They serve as intermediaries between your computer and the websites you visit. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.